2013 Ford F-250 Super Duty gas engine. I repeat, gas engine. 129,000 miles. 4x4, 4-door extended cab. Running boards. Power windows, locks, cruise control. Tow package. It is running, I repeat, gas engine, not diesel. In wonderful condition, perfect truck for work. Very, very clean truck. Hard to find in Texas. Texas vehicle. No rust. Alloy wheels, brand new tires all the way around. Auto check and Carfax, well below Kelly Blue Book. Four-wheel drive. Power windows, locks, keyless entry, cruise control. Has the tow package on it. (2013) Ford F-250 4x4 extended cab, gas, super clean truck.